Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on this WP Xplor Pro 6500 kit. This kit is being installed into a 2017 Husqvarna TE300. This is revalved to our JBI suspension, flowy single track spec. We maintain use of the stock 12 Newton pressure springs that these WP Xplor Pro cartridges come with. An easy way to tell which cartridge setup you have is to look at the rebound base bolt. As you can see here on the rebound clicker bolt, it uses an Allen key for removing and installing the rebound clicker. Whereas on the WP Exact Pro models, which fits into the air forks and is a longer fork setup, those utilize a socket for a 19mm nut head instead. Anyways, beyond that easy way of identifying which kit you have, during the revalve, we utilized our JBI suspension subvalve. That is this piece here in gold. The subvalve allows us to maintain a very soft and smooth fork while it not being overly soft and diving too much under heavy braking or hard riding. The subvalve does that by always providing us with some low speed compression damping regardless of where the compression clicker is. And we can utilize the compression clicker to determine how much oil or oil volume that we feed the subvalve. This is the piece that we developed at Ride JBI, and it is part that we like to use in all of our JBI suspension revalves for these WP Xplor Pro 6500 kits. This piece also fits the WP Exact 6500 kits and also the WP cone valve forks. Complete details on that can be found at ridejbi.com, and also complete details on our JBI Spec WP Xplor Pro 6500 kit can also be found at ridejbi.com. There on the webpage, you'll find more images, in-depth product information, product fitment information, and also goes into details about what is included in our JBI Spec WP Xplor Pro 6500 kit. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings for these WP Xplor Pro 6500 kits. We have suspension settings developed for all the various types of off-road riding. Also for motocross, supercross, arena cross, and freestyle MX. Now, those setups aren't as commonly requested for these WP Xplor Pro because these bikes are more for the off-road riders. So the most requested setups we tend to get are the off-road settings that we have developed. And for that, we have flowy single track settings, technical single track settings, enduro cross, open desert, and sprint enduro settings. So pretty much any type of off-road riding you're doing, we've tested it, we've tuned it, and we've developed a setting for it. So best thing to do is just give us a call or send us an email, and we can discuss the year, make, and model bike that you have, what options are available, and which setup would be best for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.